Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn English workshop of a play. English workshop, a play, part first. In this English workshop, we are going to see warming up, margin questions, English workshop. Warming up. First question, do you like to watch plays? Answer, yes, I like to watch plays. Second question, which is the last play you saw? Answer, Natasamrat is the last play I saw. Third question, do you watch TV serials? Which ones? Answer, yes, I watch Marathi and Hindi serials. Fourth question, do you like slow moving serials? Answer, no, I don't like slow moving serials. Fifth question, do you like stories from the past? Answer, yes, I like stories from the past. Sixth question, what type of stories do you like? Answer, I like historical stories. 2 truths, 1 lie. Make groups of 10 to 15. In this game, each person writes 3 sentences about himself or herself, 2 of which are true and the third one is a lie. Read aloud your sentences while others guess which are true and which is a lie. Examples: Hello everyone, I am Sonali. I have a brother and a sister. I live in Amalner. I have a pet dog at home. Hello everyone, I am Tanvi. I am a dancer. I have won state level dance competitions, but I want to be a choreographer. Hello everyone, I am Tushar. I am a singer. I have won many singing competitions, but I want to be a pop singer. Lost and found. Divide the students into group of 5. They sit in a circle. They choose one object of daily use such as a bag, wallet, box, etc. The group leader writes 4 sentences about it. Lost and found. I have found a compass. Its color is red. Its shape is rectangular. It has a pen in it. I found it in school library. Others too write 4 sentences each. I have lost a tiffin box. Its color is blue. Its shape is square. I lost it in school canteen. Margin questions. First question, what is the name of the town? Answer, the name of the town is Andher Nagri. Second question, what is the name of the king? Answer, the name of the king is Chaupat. Third question, what is the speciality of the land? Answer, everything in the market is sold at the same price, no complications, is the speciality of the land. Fourth question, what Indian proverb is reflected in the play? Answer, Taka sher bhaji, taka sher khaja. Next question, do you think this is a good land to settle in? Why? Answer, I think this is a good land to settle in where everything in the market is sold at the same price. You can buy the richest and most delectable sweets for the same price as an equal measure of vegetables. It makes life easy. Next question, what are the titles of King Chaupat? Answer, the great King Chaupat, the mighty King Chaupat, most noble, most revered, most gracious, most learned King Chaupat, royal monarch, O noble king, most kind lord and king, O merciful king, royal lord, your majesty, O just king, Your Most Esteemed Highness. These are the titles of King Chaupat. 7th question. Can we call Thews truly hardworking and honest? Answer. No, we cannot call Thews truly hardworking and honest because they work hard to steal from others. Question number 8. If you had been the merchant, what would you have? Answer. If I had been the merchant, I would have said that the house has been recently built and very strong. The thieves made a hole in the wall. That is why the wall collapsed. I would have registered a FIR on the thief for trying to enter into my house. 9th question. What is the mortar maker's excuse? Is it believable? Answer. The mortar maker's excuse was the waterford that he used had an extraordinary large mouth. So excess water poured down into the mortar mixture. And he blamed the potter for making such a useless pot. His excuse was unbelievable because the mortar maker should have used another pot and poured less water in the mixture. 10th question. Do you think the potter is telling the truth? Why? Answer. I don't think the potter is telling the truth because it was his responsibility to give the pot and its mouth proper shape. Instead, he blamed the moneylender's daughter for his own fault. Next question. Why is the daughter so confident that the king will not hang her? Does her prediction come true? Answer. The daughter of the moneylender was so confident that the king will not hang her because she knew that if she put blame on goldsmith, the king would spare her life and would call the goldsmith in the court. Her prediction comes true. Last question. Is the daughter's complaint about the goldsmith true? Answer. Yes. The daughter's complaint about the goldsmith looks true. She might have left the house to request the goldsmith to prepare the ornaments faster as she was to be married next week. English workshop. First question. List the characters that have appeared so far in the play. Answer. First guard, second guard, fourth guard messenger, disciple, king, thief, merchant, bricklayer, mortar maker, potter, moneylender, moneylender's daughter. Second question. List all the different titles they use to address the king. Answer. The most noble, the most revered, the most gracious, the most learned, the royal monarch. Third question. Copy the exclamations from the play, at least 5. Answer. How boring. Halt. Let the court begin. O king. A life for life. A noble king. O just king. Fourth question. Copy the orders, imperative sentences from the play. Answer. Be alert. Bring the moneylender's daughter here this very instant. Bring the careless bricklayer immediately. Fetch the merchant at once. Summon the mortar makers at once. Forgive me, O merciful king. Show mercy to this humble potter. Give your identity. Fifth question. Use your imagination and the detail from the play and draw a map of Andher Nagari. Just take a look at the map. Sixth question. Write what each of the following should have said after listening to the complaint against him or her. Daughter, Your Most Esteemed Highness, I rarely step outside the threshold of my home. Potter, I agree that I made a pot, but I am sorry. The pot may have been defective, but I do not do it on purpose. It was a mistake. Mortar maker, I do accept my mistake, that the mortar was not of the best quality. But the bricklayer should have been more careful while laying the bricks. Bricklayer, I laid the brick well. Merchant, my house has been recently built. It is the fault of bricklayer, who carelessly built such a weak wall. 9th question. Read the following sentences and find the subject and the verb in each. Sentence, subject, verb. You are a stranger. You are. I am a visitor here. I am. You have heard right. You have heard. You must pay with his life. He must pay. The king will not hang me. The king will hang. 10th question. Read the following sentences. Tick the ones in passive voice. Copy them correctly. First, I have heard amazing stories. Active voice. Second, I am especially impressed by the fact. Passive voice. Third, I am quite happy about it. Active voice. Fourth, I beg for justice. Active voice. Fifth, and my friend was instantly killed. Passive voice. Sixth, my house has been recently built. Passive voice. Seventh, it is the fault of the bricklayer. Active voice.